I want to thank everybody for watching. This is a honey locust. It's got the long black beans on it. I did a couple wood turning videos on it. Basically why I got the mill for is to cut 3 and 4 inch slabs so I can do wood turning with it. But this is my first video of the sawmill. I did go and get a Norwood MN27, so it only cut 28 inches logs, which I think would be plenty for me. Track is 16 feet. I think you can cut up to 12 foot, but you got to get it precisely on here to do it. But I'm not planning on cutting anything from, I don't know, 10 feet, and these are 5 feet. If you're wondering why I went and got a Norwood sawmill, there's actually 2 reasons why. First of all, I was wanting to get a wood miser since they're like 2 hours away, 3 hours away. I actually went over there and tested it out, ran one. I was wanting to get one, but then I found out it's a 52-week waiting period. So that's basically a year. And the other reason why I got one, bearing besides ceramic guides. That's basically the only 2 reasons why I went and got a Norwood. Because I got this in, I think it was 5 weeks. And it took me maybe 2 days to put it together. Well, 3. I could only work on it for an hour or 2 a day, so it took me like 3 days. Then I had to set it up, and it took me, well, it's been on here, it took me like 6 hours to move it out of the garage into here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you guys like it. Subscribe button if you're not a member. Comments are always welcome. I do watch a lot of YouTube videos. Sometimes I don't get to comment on them. But thanks for watching.